Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get Minecraft VR on your Pico 4 Ultra. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to gather all the things that we need to play. So the first thing is going to be the Pico Connect app to connect our VR helmet to the PC. And after that we're going to have to get Steam VR. So you're going to have to download Steam VR from the Steam app. And then we're going to need a working copy of Minecraft. And after that we're going to have to download two mods. So the first one is going to be Vivecraft, so the VR mod for Minecraft. You can download it on this page, right down here. And then we're going to need Forge, so you can download it from this website. And we're going to need the same version that you have downloaded the VR mod of. So for example, if you download 1.20.4, then you're going to have to download Forge 1.20.4 too. So after you've done that, after you've gathered everything, then the first thing you're going to have to do is download Forge. So you're going to find your Forge mod and you're going to open it. There you go. Then we're going to select Install Client and click OK. Okay, so now that the version of Forge has been installed, you can check by going into Minecraft and go to Installations. And here you will see that Forge 1.20.4 has been downloaded on your PC in your installations. So after that, we're going to have to click on Forge and click on this little folder icon to open up the location of the files of Minecraft. And after that, we're going to create in here, we're going to create a folder named exactly like I have named it, mods. So you're going to have to enter the exact same name. And after you've created it, you can paste the Vivecraft mod. You can copy it and paste it into the mods folder. There we go. So now that it has been pasted, we can play Minecraft, but before we can launch it, we have to launch Steam VR. So I'm going to go into Steam and I'm going to launch up Steam VR. I'm going to wait for it to open. There we go. Now I'm in Steam VR. And now we can open up our desktop. So from here we can click on the desktop option to open up our desktop again. And then we're going to select, resize a little. Then we're going to select our Minecraft. There it is, Minecraft Forge. And after we've selected Minecraft Forge, press play. And we're just going to wait for it to load. So it's going to take a little. Just going to wait for it to launch. There we go. So you can see that it has been launched in this little window for you. So what you can do is you can just close the Steam VR. So I'm going to do it by pressing on the little icon on my controller. And now that I've closed the Steam VR, you can see that I'm inside of Minecraft. And I can create a world by going to single player and just creating a new world, and you will see that after a few seconds you can play Minecraft in VR. And that's about it. I hope this helped, and thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.